Welcome to my home. I have been waiting to do this vlog since we moved in. This is going to be an apartment tour. For those of you that don't know, we've been living overseas for the past 3.5 years, hopping around country to country, and we got an apartment in Austin, Texas. I'll explain more about the whole story of how that happened, but I'm very excited to show you guys our new apartment. We've been living here for like a month and a half now, and it's taken a lot longer than I expected to get moved in. Just as you are seeing the whole apartment tour, remember, we owned nothing. In fact, let me show you. What we owned before we moved in was this backpack and this. That was it. Everything else you see in here was purchased in the last month and a half, and we had to get our lives together. For those that don't know me, my name is Amanda Kolbye, and I am a 7-figure entrepreneur and educator that helps service-based entrepreneurs build an online business utilizing social media. So on this channel, we talk all things entrepreneurship, marketing, sales, and the digital nomad life as well, which this one is like an inverse of that. But Austin's still a really cool city. So let's start the apartment tour at the beginning. Okay, so you walk in and we have our little entryway, which first we are a no shoes household. After living in Asia, we love this rule. So shoes go on here. And this is our hallway here. So the apartment that we got is a really nice apartment. It's in downtown Austin, and I believe it's about a little over 1,000 square feet, which is pretty big, and it is a proper 1-bedroom, but with 2 people, we're both working from home, which I'll kind of show you the setups in a minute. So we definitely felt like we needed space. So when you walk in, you've got still kind of finishing touches here, but we've got a nice little welcome sign, some functionality pieces, and a hallway. And in here, this is really nice. It's some extra storage. And to be honest, it is our cat litter box, which I won't show you. And then you walk in and we have a bathroom, which I'll walk into in a minute. And this is the main living area. You can also say hi to our 2 cats who are anxiously awaiting to be shown. Hi, Tigray. And Ollie feels forgotten. So, hi. So these are our 2 cats. What is it? So real quickly, I'll tell you about these 2. So I got Tigray and Ollie. I got Tigray when I was in college, and I got Ollie when we lived in Philly before moving abroad. So they are ours. We had them before moving abroad, but when we moved abroad, we left them with my mom. Thank you, Mom. And she's been taking care of them for the past couple of years while we've traveled. We always knew we would take them back, but we weren't really sure when we'd have a home base. So for now we have them. Hopefully we'll get to take them to Europe with us as well. Okay, off the ground. Let's keep going. So we walk in here and this is our living room. So this is probably my favorite part of the house. So this is our little gallery wall, which I am very proud of. So we've got a bunch of different decor, a little bench. The bag there is basically Ollie's bed. But for anyone asking, most of the decor here, because I know I'll get a bunch of DMs about this, is World Market, Target, Wayfair, World Market, Target, World Market, World Market, World Market. So most of the apartment is either Target, Wayfair, or World Market, as you can see. Okay, so this is Zach's desk area. Doesn't really go, but we had to have one. And then this is the living room. So for the living room, as you can see here, I was kind of going, I guess I'll show you more behind me. I was kind of going for like the mix of leather, as you can see here, and kind of these white, light, bright, cool tones with little pops of color. For us, literally everything here is new. We owned nothing. So that was kind of hard. And we also don't know if we're staying. So we had to kind of find this mix between buying stuff that was enjoyable. I really, really like decorating. I had so much fun with this and like protecting my space, but we also didn't really want to invest into some lifelong pieces or really expensive pieces because we're definitely not gonna have this apartment for forever and we only have a 6-month lease. But I think it turned out really, really well. I will say the rug the cats have absolutely destroyed. So don't get a rug with like the loom things if you have animals. So we also wanted to kind of obviously make it a little homey, a little customized-y. So as you can see here, we ended up getting some of our really nice travel photos framed, and I think they turned out pretty well. And then all of these photos over here too, the prints didn't turn out great, but they're all different travel photos that we have. And is anyone surprised? This is our coffee table book. Good choice, I'd say on my part. So all the decor here, as you can see, just little elements. Also, we got this desk thing. Obviously not a decor piece, but I love having this. We just got it off of Amazon. And links for everything, as much as I possibly can, I'll put in the description below. So let's move into our next space, which is the kitchen and dining area and my office. Okay, so also in here is a full washer and dryer, which is really nice to have. And then obviously here is our kitchen. So this is a massive kitchen. We were very, very excited. We probably still need to get some bar stools here. Just got some fresh flowers yesterday. And we really like the kitchen just because it is obviously open concept. So it makes this place look really, really big. And we like just the counter space Zach is so extremely happy to have. The finishes are like, you know, not exactly what we'd choose if we had a home, but otherwise it's really, really great. Dishwasher, all the things. Also, we ended up getting an air fryer. Now, let me tell you, air fryer was a really good purchase. We were like, oh, we're only here 6 months. Should we buy one? If you do yourself a favor, get the double one. It honestly, even if you're not frying stuff all the time, just makes things so easy. Like we'll put in like a little grilled chicken and broccoli in one. You can set them to finish at the same time, even if they're cooking at different temperatures. It makes dinner so easy. So that is the kitchen. And then lastly, we have over here our dining space. The lighting is obviously a little harsh in here. So this is our dining space. I absolutely love this little rug here. Adds kind of a pop of color, but still ties in. And then we've got the same little leather seats as well that are really nice tying in over there. I kind of wanted a leather couch, but we decided to go white and then leather accent. And we've got plenty of little plants in all of these corners, which I'm loving. And lastly, we have my desk area. So this has been really nice because it still kind of gets to be separate from Zach's over there. And I've got all my little stuff. These are my little succulents. This is my money tree. I think it's dying. These are our masks that we got from Venice. And then we also have a patio. So this is our patio area, and it's actually pretty big, but we haven't gotten any furniture for it yet. So hopefully when it's not winter, we'll be able to do that. Okay, so last room is the bedroom. Let's walk in here. So this is the bedroom right off the kitchen. And then the bathroom, which connects into the hallway over there. For the bedroom, I wanted something kind of neutral, so it's not too feminine, even though I know that's pink, but having kind of a pop. So we got all of this stuff typically, I think, from Urban Outfitters and or Anthropologie, but I think it just gives it such a bright vibe. And then these I am obsessed with. So these are end tables, and I did splurge a little bit on these. These are from Urban Outfitters, but like I just love the wood carving. It's so cute. And then we got some accent things that are very clear. And this we got off of Etsy. So this is actually a sticker, if you can see, and it looks super fun. So we probably still need to like get a plant over here. And then this wall over here, we actually have some shelves you can see on the ground that we're gonna fill that space with some shelves and pots and all of that. Then we've got this little area and our closet, which we didn't own that many things, but obviously we've bought stuff and filled it up. We've never had our own little closet in like so many years. It's all the simple things. And then this is my favorite little area. So we got a dresser, which was the hardest freaking thing in the world to set up. And all of this was from Etsy. Just kind of like cool, neutral vibe. And then again, best purchase ever was this giant bean bag. Let me just show you. It is just the perfect little corner nook. Most of y'all probably recognize from my stories on Instagram this background, but this is where I do that. And the cats also love sleeping in here too. So that is the bedroom. And last but not least, here is the bathroom. So honestly, nothing too crazy. It's a bathroom, but I love our little shower curtain, just white and bright and clean. And then you can walk back through to our entryway. So for us, we decided on Austin. For those of you that don't know, we basically were just like, we have to go back to the States. We don't really have another option. We ran out of visas in Europe and there really wasn't anything open in Asia. So we were like, okay, cool, let's go back for 6 months. We honestly needed to like see doctors and I needed to get like the little Invisalign stuff and get our life together. So that's what we did. We were gonna move to San Diego because at the time we were moving in around December and I was not gonna go live anywhere cold. And there was like no short-term leases in San Diego. Also, everything was way more expensive than we thought. And I've got family in Texas, so it made sense for us to come to Austin because everyone's just raved about the city. To be honest, we'd only ever been here for like max 48 hours before moving here. But we moved to new countries all the time, so we weren't that worried about it. But so far we love Austin. I'm gonna definitely do some more vlogs. Let me know what you guys would like to see about kind of like entrepreneur lifestyle, like any of that stuff. Such good food. Oh my gosh, you guys, the tacos are life-changing. We eat breakfast tacos like so often. Best food ever. But just all the food, every cuisine that we've tried, Indian, Thai, which for us is just so important. And there's also just so much to do. So I don't know, like kayaking, putt-putt, like just a lot of different stuff to do. And everyone here is very outdoorsy and everyone here is not from here, which I love. And so everyone here is like from New York, LA, like all over, very open to making friends. I joined like a volleyball team that I play like, you know, every week. And my favorite part about not only this apartment, but also moving here is that we are right by the green belt and the river. So this is the trail in the Greenbelt. As you can see here, I'll show you a better view in a minute, but there's like a river and Lady Bird Lake. So there's tons of people out walking dogs, running. And I mean, you could go for miles. So it's so easily accessible to get to outdoor space. And so everyone here is like outside all the time, always kayaking, paddleboarding, doing all those things. I honestly can't wait for the summer because there's also a big park. It's called Zilker Park in Austin, where everyone just hangs out. And living in Austin makes you want a dog so bad. So hopefully in my next vlog, we will have a foster dog at that time. But we are really enjoying it. And there's so many different cafes to work from. Every cafe I go work at, there's like always people with their laptops out by 9 a.m., like filling the cafe full. So it's been really nice having stability and having things of our own, just knowing exactly how you're gonna wake up and live your life. So, you know, I love the digital nomad lifestyle and I love getting to live in all these different places, but there have been so many pros that have been like highlighted to us just about having some of that stability, especially when growing the business is such a top priority for me and really needing that stability to continue to devote to that. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the apartment and all of our fun decor and vibe and everything here. I'm excited to show you guys more Austin life. Definitely follow me on Instagram stories where I'm always showing what we're doing, whether I'm in Austin or a weekend trip or anything like that. And let me know in the comments below what type of vlogs or videos you'd like to see about Austin. We could do a taco tour. We could do an entrepreneur day in the life. We could do so many different things. So let me know below what you guys would like to see more of there. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Follow me for more amazing content about digital nomad, entrepreneurship, building a business online, all that amazing stuff. We've got some good videos linked in the description below. And again, follow me on Instagram. That's where you're gonna get more of like daily updates, juicy business nuggets, all of those good things. Clearly, I interrupted the cats for sunbathing nap time. So yes.